Hi people, please excuse me for my hoarse voice because I've got a sore throat. Now, hoarse voice means when your voice becomes very heavy because of cold and cough, आवाज बहुत भारी हो जाती है जुकाम की वजह से, जिससे मेरी हो रही है. And sore throat means गला खराब होना, जो मेरा thankfully अभी बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, क्योंकि मुझे cold है, जुकाम, खांसी बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, touch wood. I don't have cough. Cough is खांसी. Balgam is phlegm. You can find all the spellings in the captions, right? Balgam is phlegm. Then chest congestion is जब सारा phlegm अंदर जमा हो जाता है, then it leads to chest congestion. Then you have sneezing. Sneezing is छींकना. Then you have runny nose, जो मेरा हो रहा है, नाक बह रही है. Then you have nasal discharge, जो whatever comes out of your nose. You have mucus, जो whatever is inside your nose, जो नाक के अंदर, अब I don't want to call that Hindi word, right? उसको mucus कहते हैं. And then you have the cough syrup. Cough syrup is जो दवा हम लोग खांसी रोकने को पीते हैं. Then there's a word wheezing. Now wheezing is, asthmatics would probably be able to understand, जिनको सांस की तकलीफ होती है. जब cold होता है तो जब हम सांस लेते हैं तो there's this peculiar whistling sound that comes. So this is wheezing, right? And then you have throat lozenge. Now, what are throat lozenges? Again, you'll find the spelling in the captions. जो strepsils, VICKS, जो दवा हम लोग गला ठीक करने के लिए खाते हैं. And influenza is flu. So I hope you found these useful. Till we meet next in my next video, take care, keep smiling, and make sure that you are not under the weather.